Hello guys! Welcome sa vlog ko ngayon. Mag-unbox ako nito guys. Gonna be unboxing this. Paano siya guys? This is a Enlighten bouncer. Mo pa ni? Mamay na kayo ingon. So, maupod ako iingon. So, me, Michael, and Kathleen just got home from walking. Kasi nag-walking kami, guys. Kaya nga tayo buntes. Okay. By the way, nabili ko to sa Walmart, guys. Dugay na din ako siya na buy, but karon, I feel like gusto ko siya i-unbox. So, I'm gonna unbox it. So, tulungan niyo po ako mag-unbox. Or just watch me unbox this. Ay! Yangat yun ko, guys. I just ate dinner pod. Like, naka-ano ako, guys. Naka 3K steps. More than 3K steps. And thank you to Michael and Thank you to Michael and Kathleen for walking with me. Walking. But yeah, wala dito sila daddy, sila mama Iching, and the kids, and the other kids, cause they went to their school kasi mayroon silang basta nasa lagi buhat sa school nila. And nasa po ako guys. So nag-set ako sa ball ko kasi wala lang. I just like this ball. I feel so comfortable. And as you can see naman sa background ko guys, yes, na-set up na yung crib. So, ready na talaga. Dahil, like, feel ko talaga dahil malapit na akong manganganak dahil. Kasi kanina, while nag-walking ako, sumakit yung puson ko at yung back. Like, connected siya dahil. So, sign na ba yun or ano? But yeah, help me unbox this one. Oh, ito guys. Tulungan nyo ako mag-unbox dahil. Nasa si Kathleen and Michael sa ubos. Magpalayo sa camera. Guys, I don't know ba, for some reason, mag-chika muna ang Disney Princess. I don't know for some reason, guys, why you guys are telling me na mahina yung audio ko. Guys, whenever I edit my videos, guys, okay naman yung audio ko, guys. So, maybe it depends lang talaga sa phone na you're using. Kasi ang iba, they're saying okay naman yung audio, and ang iba naman, they're saying na mahina yung audio ko. So, I think it really depends lang. Or maybe just turn up the volume na lang. Okay? Mayroon namang mic si Josephine, guys, but she's, I think she's using it, so I don't wanna borrow it kay basunday iyang gamiton and stuff. Pero, I don't know. Maybe it depends lang po talaga sa phone, guys, okay? So, again, ako na pong ipakita ninyo. Okay, so this is, ito guys, ganyan. So, nabili ko siya sa Walmart. I got this for like $75 ba yun? You guys can check out my other vlog kasi vinag ko siya when I got this, when bumili ako nito. So, you guys can go check it out. Cutesy niya, guys. Ang cutesy niya talaga. Tingnan. Makatawa mo ko sa akong forma, dahil. Wala pa dyan ko iligo, guys. Wala akong makeup, guys. Kapoy na mag-makeup. I mean, there are times na gusto ko mag-makeup, but there are times too na I don't wanna wear any makeup. Because I get lazy sometimes. And nasa bed lang ako all day. Because I'm really tired. Okay. So, ito. Ay! Need ko pa pala siya i-set up. But yun, tignan nyo to guys. Tignan nyo yan. Meron siyang nakasama. Madami pa akong gagawin sa buhay ko. Kana ito, hindi yan dirty laundry, guys. I still have to hang them and stuff. So, ito, guys. Diba, ang ganda ng color niya. Wait. Paano ba to? Diba? Ang cute niya, bakla. Ako lang siyang i-set up daan, guys. And the other stuff. So, electric na siya, guys. Did I say it right? Electric. Sakto ba? Hi! But yeah, ito, diba? So, we're gonna put it all together. Yan, sobrang OA ko dahil. That's why, na-hate ako ng mga tao kasi sobrang OA ko. Pero, wala akong pake. Okay, so first things first, you have to do this. I think, madali lang to, guys. So, ay! Ano naman tong buntes? Forever, it's better, and I don't know why I'm crying. Good love. Guys, pasagdir ako ninyo guys kay naning kamot ko din. Koan. Corny time lapse. Okay, left, right. And then okay. Gets ko na. Sana all gets. Easy lang to, guys. Maglisod na kog lihok-lihok dayo. Uy, kay akong tiyan dayo. She keeps moving. Ito siya itaod, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys, hindi na ako nakakatulog ng mahimbing, guys. Yes, guys. Hindi na talaga. Because she just keeps moving around and sometimes I get cramps sa likod, sa puson ko. And I get scared. Natatakot ako sometimes kasi what if, diba? What if? Madaming what ifs die. My ganit, guys. Dali siya itaod. Guys, I'm just gonna put it all together lang, guys, ha? Kasi, need ko pa gawin yung mga batteries and stuff. So, I'll be right back after ma-finish to lahat. Okay? Bye-bye. See you. Yan, guys. Sobrang dali lang niya, guys. So, if you guys want to get this, you can buy this sa Walmart. Sobrang easy niya lang i-assemble and sobrang cute. I'm pretty sure mayroon pang mas cheaper, pero I'm happy naman sa nabili ko. So I think it's worth it naman siya because you can use this up to 6 months. Pero dali ra kayo ang adlaw ang oras yan. So it's finally finished and I told you guys, diba, sobrang cute niya dahil. Okay. Wait. Tignan nyo yan. Sobrang cute niya. Oops. Diba? So, perfect. Pero na may mga second hand mga ingani, guys. Pero again, it's okay. This is for my baby anyway. So, diba? And, guys, I forgot na pwede mo siya ikuan og mga song or music, mga lullabies. But, hindi ko pa siya nalagyan ng batteries kasi wala siyang kasamang batteries. Pero, I think Daddy has a lot of batteries. So, this is how it looks like. Diba? Cute niya, day. So, mani siya kung giingon, guys. Yan. I don't know if lights pa na. Volume. Then, I don't know what's this. Nice good siya, guys. Promise. Super cute. Diba? Yan na siya nga. Cute kayo, doy. So very cutesy. And i-match na po siya. Sobrang aesthetic naman nito, girl. Diba?